Hi, Ron. I'm Lee Gilliam. Nice to meet you.
Very nice to meet you, Lee. I'm a big fan of yours.
Thank
I just
you so
want
much.
you to know.
I appreciate that.
Okay.
I got an email from you about your yard. Want to get some work done?
Yeah, thank you for stopping over. I tell you.
Beautiful space.
Oh, thank you very much.
Yeah.
We've tried. We put in lots of work. We put in these arborvitaes over on this side of the wall. And now we got this white fence.
Yeah. Was some trees there earlier?
We had trees that were in the back of the fence at one time, and our neighbors took them down. And now we're kind of stumped at what we need to do next. We got this wide open canvas.
Sure. I think what we should do is try to break that fence up, put some texture on it. I think we could use an arborvitae, but there's several different varieties, and I brought a few, so I want you to look at them and see what you think.
Okay.
Okay?
Sounds lovely.
Let's go take a look.
Okay.
All right. Okay, Rhonda, I have 3 arborvitaes, different varieties, okay? This one here is the emerald green.
Okay.
Compact, does get tall, 20 feet.
Okay, so is it going to stay as narrow?
Yes, it's narrow. It's going to get big, but it'll be narrow. It's not going to take up the space that I think we need.
Okay.
Okay?
It's beautiful. It's nice and soft. I love the texture of it.
Really nice.
Very pretty.
And then we have the dark American, okay, which is also a really nice arb. Gets tall, gets wide, but the issue I have with these are it has multiple leaders.
Multiple leaders?
Yeah. It has the leaders growing up off the tree and then the branches growing off it. Problem with that is, in this region where we are, if you get some heavy wet snow, it can open it up, and then you have to maybe tie them up or maybe have to do some pruning on it and things like that.
That's not what we're looking to do.
Yeah, but still, it's a nice plant, gets tall, and all that.
Okay.
All right, and then the last one, which is my favorite, this one here called the green giant.
Beautiful.
Single leader,
Yeah.
deer resistant,
Okay.
and this one here likes to get big. If you give this proper watering, this will grow 12 inches a year, and it should go up to about 30 to 40 feet high.
Do you think this one will spread out?
Yes, it does. It gets really spread out on the base and grows up really tall, thin, but then it all catches up to it.
Okay, this is similar to what we have over on the other side of the yard.
Okay.
So this is definitely the one that we're looking for.
Okay. So I think what we need to do is figure out the arrangement and how you want to put them out and go from there. What do you think?
Sounds good.
Okay.
Let's do that.
Great.
Okay. So Lee, what are you thinking about for layout?
I like this layout, but let's try to mimic this on the other side. Okay?
Okay.
And let's take some measurements down the end and then we'll copy it on the other side.
Okay, perfect.
What do you think?
All right.
All right?
I like it too.
So I'm going to measure off the back of the fence,
Okay.
the bed,
Yeah.
which is roughly 40 inches.
Okay.
Okay?
Yeah.
And then center to center of the tree. So this is the center of the tree, which would be the middle of the tree. See in there?
Okay.
So we're going to measure this like that. And we're roughly 5 feet to each tree. Will be 5 feet, roughly 5
about
feet.
my height. I'll lay down and you can measure me.
Exactly.
Oh, great.
Exactly. All right.
Okay.
And then it also gives the room for the tree to grow down the bottom.
I like it.
All right, let's go to work.
Okay. So Lee, where are the shovels? I don't see any shovels.
All right, no shovels yet.
Okay.
What I want to try to do is create a bed. And the reason why for the bed, I'd like to do is so it protects the trees and it's easy to cut the grass. You know, most people put the trees in the ground, right in like the grass, and then you're cutting around it and things like that. So I don't want to do that. I want it to make it look aesthetically nice and also good for the plants.
How do we do that?
Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to give you this.
Okay.
This is a spray can.
Okay.
Okay. So I'm going to give you that. And I'm going to measure off 40 inches like we have on the other bed. So we'll copy that. Okay.
Okay. Perfect.
So I'm going to take this.
Okay.
If you can come over here and find 40, hold on. Give me a second. So right there. Shoot that right there.
Right here?
Correct. Beautiful. And we're going to slide down to the next one. Okay.
I'm following
repeat the same thing.
This is better than shoveling.
Yep. So far so good.
Okay.
Give me another one right there, 40 inches.
40 inches.
Yep. See it right there? Beautiful. Okay, so let's mark this one here out.
Okay.
Again, 40 inches we're going off.
Okay.
Hold on. See 40 right there.
40.
Bingo. Yep. Perfect. Nice job.
Okay.
Okay, so we know we have 40 inches off the fence.
Okay.
All right, so let's connect all our dots, okay? Nice and straight.
Easy for you to say.
I know, right?
Okay.
Keep on coming. Perfect. Good job.
Thank you.
So the next step is we're going to bring in the sod cutter and we're going to take all this material out. We're ready to rake some stuff up. I want to put them in piles. It's easy to move it around.
Okay.
So I just want you to follow right behind me. Let me make some piles and then follow right behind me and get the loose stuff. Okay? So I'm going to go like that. Soil looks really good. So I think the trees are going to be happy. Nice job.
I wasn't sure what's back here. So Lee, what is this machine?
Okay, this is a rototiller. And what I want to do is rototill the soil, loosen it up, let some oxygen get in there, and that will help the soil and it'll help the plants as they want to grow. You see these blades?
Yeah.
That's going to dig down into the soil, and that will make it so much easier when we're ready to plant. Okay?
And
pull
just
it back to
and
you.
forth.
Pull it back. Pull it back. There you go. Nice. Really
How often do I do this?
nice. You want to turn it up? See how it's working its way down? There you go. Look at you. Real nice. All right, we just finished rototilling. Got some oxygen in the soil. Soil looks really good.
Great.
So what I want to do is use some fertilizer. Okay. I like organic fertilizer here and some compost.
Okay.
So compost is all organic, ground up leaves and sticks,
Okay.
and then it's
Looks like dirt.
They turn it. It is a form of dirt, and they turn it several times over the season.
Okay.
Get the oxygen in there to break everything down, all the microorganisms. Okay, we're ready to dig some holes.
How deep are you going to dig that hole?
Okay, I'm going to dig it a little bit higher than the root ball. Okay. So these root balls, approximately 12 inches. Okay, so I'm going to go probably about 11 inches down.
Okay, and the width is going to be about the same?
Nope, the width is going to be a little bit wider than the tree because we're going to backfill it in with all the organic material. So I think we're good.
Yeah? Okay.
Okay, so one trick is
Yeah.
they put a shovel down
Yeah.
so you can get the measurement.
Okay.
So we're there, right?
Yeah, perfect.
What do you think? Look at all that. See all the roots?
Beautiful.
Yeah, not too bad, but it's all root bound. So what I want to do is we take this, we're going to open it up a little bit. See that?
Oh,
And this is
that's
gonna-
what they mean, by
Exact-
scratching.
Like scratching it up. So this is going to help the tree go out. You know, as you do, we're going to pop it right in the ground. Look at that.
Perfect.
That's pretty good.
Yeah.
So I'm going to take some of the soil
Yeah.
mixed in there with our compost and everything,
Yeah.
and just backfill it all in.
And you
Push
do
it
this
down.
for every tree.
Every single tree. Okay, so what do we have for the distance? Do you remember?
5 feet.
5 feet. Good job.
And we're going down about, what, 11 inches?
Yeah, 11 to 12 inches. on
11 to
these
12
root balls.
inches.
Yep.
Now what I'm going to
Remember
do
how I did it?
is pull this,
Yep.
scrape it a little bit.
Perfect.
Okay. I'll give it a little back rub. That's what
Yeah.
it's like.
That's it. What do you think?
Beautiful. I love it. I'm going to tell the whole world that I planted this tree.
Perfect.
All right.
I have some nice organic compost mixed mulch. Okay? Will hold the moisture down on the plants. 2 inches of mulch is good.
Okay.
All right, homework. You ready? Okay. I need you to water at least every day for 2 weeks. Okay? And if it rains, don't worry about it.
Okay.
Don't get stressed over it. But they need to be watered in.
All right.
All right.
I think I can handle that.
It was great meeting you.
All right, Lee. It was
Thanks
a
so
pleasure.
much. I appreciate it.
One of
All
my
right.
biggest fans.
Thank
you so much
All
for
right.
your help. I
appreciate
appreciate you.
Take care of yourself.
Take care.
Bye-bye.
Thanks for watching. This Old House has got a video for just about every home improvement project, so be sure to check out the others. And if you like what you see, click on the subscribe button to make sure that you get our newest videos right in your feed.